Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Microsoft Clarity Dashboards templates for UI analysis. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Microsoft Clarity Dashboard templates for UI analysis, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft Clarity website. Log into your Microsoft Clarity account or create a new one if you don't already have an account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard interface. Look for the Templates section, typically located in the navigation menu. Click on the Templates option to view available dashboard templates. Browse through the list of templates offered. Identify the template that best fits your UI analysis needs. Once you find a suitable template, click on it to open the Details page. Review the description and features of the chosen template to ensure it meets your requirements. To download the template, locate the Download button on the page. Click the Download button to initiate the download process. Check your browser's download manager to see the downloaded file. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the dashboard template file and unzip it if it is in a compressed format. You can now import the template into your Microsoft Clarity dashboard for further use. Open Microsoft Clarity and navigate to the Dashboard section. Click on the Import option and select the downloaded template file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the import process. Your new dashboard template is now ready for analysis and customization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.